Hey guys, this is Eddie from E11 World, and today I'm doing a quick unboxing and a review of this Behringer dual diaphragm condenser microphone. It's just the B2 Pro. Some people swear by this and say that it's one of the best mics they've had in like many years. And I bought it after like much in-depth consideration of many microphones out there. Large diaphragm condenser anyways, and so yeah, I'm gonna try this and put it to the test, and hopefully it gives me what I want for my needs. This is kind of more like in the series for me for doing my videos here, where like you can kind of have a low, not low, but more of a medium budget studio that you can, record your stuff and get going. So let's see. Let's open this here. All right. So I love this for two reasons. First, comes in this nice case here. So two reasons I love this microphone in particular is that it comes with this nice case for 150 bucks. That's pretty nice. Just to add a small thing like that, even if it's not the best quality case, it's still nice to have. Second is it's got this nice shock mount spiderweb type thing, which at least that it's compatible with this microphone. I'm not sure about the quality, but hopefully it's good enough for what I need here. So yeah, let's see. It looks like it's nice and solid here, but we'll give it a test. All right, and you also get this microphone pad thing, more like a pop filter, but I actually did buy another pop filter. So yeah, the pop filter will actually sit on this as well, on the stand. So yeah, here's the microphone. Let's put this case away. So this is it, the B2 Pro from Behringer. I'm going to mention a few things about the specs. So this is a multi-pattern mic, which means you can record, for example, in this side only, which is like the omnidirectional, and you can set it to all these right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I'm sure if you look at the pictures, you can tell. And they have a figure 8, which records the front and the back, whatever's around there. And you can also record like through all the way around. And that's I think cardioid mode, I believe that's what it's called. I'm not sure how to exactly say that. And in the back here, you got a low frequency cut filter, so you can set it to that, and also a minus 10 dB decibels, which is like, I guess if you're recording something that's too loud, you can kind of just give it a bit of a pad. So it does say made in China, but I believe this is German engineered, or at least designed. So XLR input for this, and so you need an XLR for this, and I'm gonna actually hook it up to my Behringer Euphoria UMC 404, which I've reviewed recently. If you haven't seen that, you should go check it out. So I'm gonna plug this into that, and then plug them both into my computer, and then we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna test this in a variety of ways, probably in different modes if I can. But at least I'll be testing my voice, which is not the best for singing. I don't really sing. I'll try. But just, a few things, maybe percussion, maybe my guitar back here, a couple other things maybe. So let's see how it does. I hope it does well. I really like the feeling of this, and actually might as well just go into these two here. So this is like the little padded thing that you can use for it, which I don't think I'm going to use. I kind of like it just as is, more like the naked feel, and it feels really solid, just nice feel, nice weight to it. But I'm going to use this shock mount here. See if I can just unhook this. And I've reviewed this mic as well, this mic stand as well before. This is from Newer. If you haven't seen that video, the link is right here. And I suggest you check it out. It's nice and inexpensive way to get something that looks, or at least works. I don't know, because it does look okay. I'm not sure if it looks the best, but it's one of those things that is nice investment, I believe. So for me, in this case, this is the shock mount. I guess you can tighten this right here, however you feel like it's gonna fit best. See if I can just tighten this some more. All right. Let's just leave it at that. Tighten this, and we'll drop the mic. Okay, so previously I mentioned about this, that you do have to tighten it on heavier mics, and you could see here, like, definitely if I just let go, it's just dropping. But this part here is very solid. So with this, I don't mind, just tightening it a little bit here. Okay, so I think that's tight enough now. Let's just see. Well, might need a little bit more tightening, but it seems to hold in whatever position I put it in. And let's say I can flip this around, for example, like this. And maybe actually I don't want to do that yet because I did tighten this some more. But if I loosen this part here, so, and then we'll adjust it here, pop this higher, and boom, there you go. So you got nice setup for recording. And right now, actually, you're hearing the recording from my Zoom H1 recorder, which is probably going to be the last time I'm going to use that microphone after hooking this up. Hopefully that this is all I'm going to need from now on. But yeah, let's just see what the test will show for us. Okay, guys, so I've set up my microphone on this microphone stand here, and you can see how it's fitting all together. And you know what, let me just position this a little bit higher. And yeah, so I'm gonna run a couple of tests, I guess, just so that you can hear it. Right now you're hearing my audio from my Zoom H1 microphone, which is decent for a lot of the stuff I've done in the past, but hopefully this will be next level for a lot of the stuff I do. I'm gonna probably play a little bit on my guitar, even though my hands, and I haven't played in a while, and anyways, like in a while, like years. So it'll be very crappy, I guess. But anyways, we'll test it just so you guys can kind of hear it. And I'm recording with this Behringer UMC 404 HD, which based on my last review, if you guys have seen it, if you haven't, make sure you do. I'm gonna have it on the first channel, recording to Adobe Audition. I have Cubase actually here too, but you know what? Yeah, let's just do Audition because it's just... So anyways, everything is set to half level. You can kind of see my signal light there. My monitors are also set to half. So if I come closer, you know what? I haven't turned this volume up all the way. You can hear it through my speakers as well. So it's nice direct monitoring for this, and I probably didn't mention that in the video there. But there's no latency through this at all. Even through my headphones, like if I put my headphones on and I listen to, there's absolutely no latency. So anyways, let's just start recording and you guys can hear the difference. This is a test. Testing microphone 1, 2, 3. I hope you can hear it clear. Even though my microphone is right there, but this is kind of clear. So I'm gonna now say the same thing into this microphone. You'll be hearing it here. This is a test. Testing microphone 1, 2, 3. And let's just throw in some more stuff here. So we'll do a song. Oh, and I'm recording in the cardioid mode, which is gonna grab this audio here. Actually, I might as well test this for you guys. So if I'm going a bit more to the right here and then back again, I'll back up a little bit more. You can kind of hear it. And as I get closer, you can hear what's happening here, and it might even clip the microphone a little bit. Probably not. Yeah, I have it set to half, which is not clipping. And if I go around some more, now you can hear what it sounds like behind the microphone. I don't know, does that work for you guys? Yeah, we'll do a song quickly. What do you think? All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All right, that's enough. We'll test just a tiny bit of guitar. Sorry, it's gonna sound like garbage because I haven't played in years, and it's not like I'm the best or anything. I'm just okay. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this here before I continue with the recording. Right now, it's recording only to the left channel in my audition, and that's something I think that relates to this. But anyway, we'll just continue on. So I'm gonna bring this down a little bit more so you can kind of get more of the guitar. I hope I don't actually hit this. And let's continue the recording. Okay. Yep. Okay, so I hope you can hear that clearly, and I know it's something very light, but it's just something to kind of give you an idea, quick idea of what this can do. And yeah, I'm not sure if it's like, based on people's budgets, I guess. For me, this is something I think I'm going to be happy with for most of my recordings for what I need. For like some of the stuff that I came with, like this shock mount, it's okay, it's nice. The mic is definitely heavy that it's bringing it down, and it's not just this, because this is the newer thing, the mic stand that I reviewed earlier, and this is not like holding it as well as I was hoping for anyway. So, but again, this is like, $10-$20 thing that you can just buy off Amazon or eBay. Most of this I'm not actually going to be doing any processing, except for maybe just leveling the audio levels, making it louder so you can hear it properly with this video, which is going to be also, I always edit my audio just to make sure it's to the standard level where it's not too low and not too loud and all that stuff. I'm going to put on my headphones. And right now I can hear myself again only through the left ear. And yeah, if I turn on the mix. So yeah, the mix, actually I shouldn't be playing that. Yeah, so if I turn on this stereo button, now I can hear myself through left and right. But yeah, we're still recording only right here. And this is nice. I can, there's again no latency through this thing, but I can hear myself and record at the same time. And this is really wonderful if I'm just, trying to make sure that my voice sounds the way I want to. And again, I'm going to turn this back down and I'll stop recording. So I hope you guys can see from all these tests. They're not the best tests, honestly. I'm sorry, I'm not doing the best I can here. It's just one of those things I'm trying to kind of do quickly. But if anybody wants to check another test for this, just let me know in the comments and I'll do a more in-depth one. This is more of just a quick one that I wanted to kind of throw out there. But most likely when I get this thing fixed in terms of getting the left and right, recorded at the same time, or maybe exchanging this for something else like the UR44 from Steinberg or a Focusrite, maybe a 2-channel mixer or audio interface, sorry. Then we'll do more testing in that case. But for now, this is kind of just, enough for this video. And I think this video is long enough as it is, so let's just end it right here. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you thought in the comments. Maybe there's some stuff that I can improve in the next videos for everybody here. And if I missed anything, also let me know. I know I didn't test this part or the cutoff or none of that, but that's where the more in-depth test will happen. I hope to do that sometime in the near future, but there's a lot of stuff that I want to test for myself as well before I kind of give you guys just a rough video for that. I'd like to give you my true opinion of this, and we'll see how it goes. So anyways, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and yeah, we'll chat later. See you guys.